Can you see what's wrong with this car? I'll give you a hint. It's about the height. Hint number 2, you might hear some creaking sounds coming from the front. If you have those 2 symptoms and you still ignore it, this could happen, and it becomes a serious safety problem. I know our 1A viewers are pretty smart, so I'm pretty sure you figured it out already, and it has to do with the struts. 1A's got you covered. We sell the whole assembly. You don't have to take anything apart. No springs flying across the room. You don't have to deal with anything. When you have a broken strut, or should I say a spring, you would think it would look like this. But in actuality, it doesn't. It looks like this. We're going to show you how you can measure from side to side and see the height difference. So all you need is a flat surface and a tape measure. You're going to start by putting the tape measure down on the floor, on your front wheel, and you're going to put the tape measure up to the wheel well, the very top right here. And you're going to measure it. Mine says 28. Now we're going to go on the other side and do the same thing and see if it's different. If it's like a 1/4 of an inch off, you know you got a problem. All right, so it's definitely off. This one's 28. It's a little bit more than 28 1/4. So we know we have a problem. All right, so we know that this side is a 1/4 of an inch off. Doesn't seem like a big deal in the world of measurements, but a 1/4 of an inch and front end is kind of a big deal. The alignment could be off. You could wear out your parts sooner. And you might end up with a really serious problem like the one we showed you with that spring breaking. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited to see what's going on over here. Let's take the wheel off. All right, so we have the wheel off. Let's take a look. I'm not seeing a broken spring that's just coming right out at me. Get up higher. Yep, oh, I see something right here. Also, if you look at it closely, when you're looking at a coil, it shouldn't be like off-kiltered like this. It should be parallel with the base of the strut. So it should look like this. This is obviously very much on a diagonal. And if you look down in here, it looks like it's been broken off. And you can see some remnants of when spring was here at one point because it rubbed on this base of the strut. And it should go all the way and continue down over here, which is why it's off-kiltered, because it should have been supported higher. So it's obvious this strut is no good. We're going to have to take it out. It's not a big deal. You're going to take out 3 nuts at the top, 2 bolts here, and your sway bar link. Should be able to pull it forward, the knuckle, and then take out your strut. So we have both struts side by side, so you can see the difference. It's very subtle if you're not looking for it. This spring is broken right here, and as you go around, you can see that it's missing. So it's not supporting the weight of this side of the spring, so the whole spring is shifted down, and that's why that's happening. On the new one, it goes all the way to this bumper, this stop right here. Struts break down over time. It's just an age thing. So when you replace them, do both sides. If you don't, you might have that tilted effect again. They usually break down around the same amount of time, so just do both at the same time. All right, let's put this brand new strut from 1A Auto in the car, and then we'll do the other side. So I just put in the 2 struts, and now we're going to measure it and see where the height is for the car. $28. And 28. Looks like we're good. Anytime you do any sort of front end work, struts, or suspension, you're going to want to get an alignment. So go down to your local shop and make sure you get that done.